Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to recover lost Venmo account. To recover your Venmo account, the method depends on whether you still have access to your linked phone number and email or not. All you need to do is just go to Venmo password reset page or just tap on forgot password on the login screen. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just gonna instruct. Then you just have to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Once you do that, you can open the reset link sent to your email or enter the code sent to your phone. Then you just have to go ahead and create a new password, including 8 to 20 characters, and a symbol and a login, and the method you could use to remember the device. Next, you could log in from that device, and Venmo may recognize it and let you skip the security code challenge as well. And once the you go to the settings security to update your phone number or revoke access to your lost device as well. So this way, you're supposed to recover your lost Venmo account. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.